Good morning, guys. It's been a while. Vaughn here. It's been a crazy summer. We're at a new job, Sedgwick Middle School. We're doing the entire project. New seating, new flooring, new epoxy, new paint. Check this out, see what's going on. After this, we're gonna take a walk and hop on the Farmington. The bell has finally came in. It took 6 months, but it looks amazing. Let's go check it out.
Hi, this is Angel with Scholar Painting and Restoration. How are you guys? Listen, we're back here at this job in Farmington. A couple months ago, back in March, we took off the bell, got fully restored. Today's the install day. Bell's back from Ohio. We got everybody here on site. We got our crane personnel on site. We got our installers on site. We got Steve here, the owner's representative here. You're excited?
Oh, we're excited, yeah.
We're excited.
It's 150 years since initially it went up, so we're happy to see it go up one more time. The last time in my lifetime that I have to deal with it, but we're happy, and we got the new components there for the framing portion, and the bell is all polished, and we're looking forward to the end of the day without any mishaps.
Absolutely. We had a little bit of a hurdle just back and forth a little bit with this job, like any job.
Yeah.
But, you know, the bell is here, everything's ready to go, components are here. We ended up getting the old striker here. Yeah. You guys are going to have it for display purposes?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little bit of the past history of the old bell. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's good to keep all those components here for preservation as well. So you guys see it up there, we're going to get rock and rolling with this stuff. You'll see it up in a little while, and we'll touch base at the end. All right, guys? Angel with Scholar Painting again. Guys, bell is in there now, fully installed. Guys are just doing the final tweaks right now, getting it in there. Bell should be up and running in a couple of hours. Steve, how do you think that went?
I think it went real well, you know.
Excellent.
Smoother than it did 150 years ago when it first went up there. These guys are class act here.
That's great, that's great. So we'll touch base with you guys on the next project. Like again, if you have any questions on any of the projects that we're working on, if you're looking to get any quotes from us, any proposals, please give us a call at the office, Scholar Painting and Restoration.
What's going on, guys? This is Mike with Scholar Painting. We're here at Hartford Union Station Canopy. As you can see, we were restoring all the beams here, all the railings. This was all previously lead paint. It was chipping, rusting. We cleaned all that off. We put on fresh new primer coat and top coat, some macro epoxy 646, give it a nice solid hard finish. As you can see here, we still have a little bit to do. We still got to install some signs. We got to take care of some gutters and do some electrical. But this project should be closed out in about 2 weeks. Stay tuned to see what it looks like when it's done.